Sawudeekhap, and we are in Wat Chom Thong. We have already put on this sea cow and taken out Nung. Say song. Okay, it's our calendar from Wat Loch Molly. Okay, just finished unpacking everything, taking everything out. We don't have anything anymore, we're in the sea cow. Now, we've taken out Nung, song. Let's take out. About to go for food. And we have a new location. We'll show you in a minute. Here we have okay, another one out. We've taken this out, yes. So, we are left with this, which is screwing. You know which way it goes, which way does it go? It's this. Okay, I believe the lunch bell's just gone. So, I believe a scarf to cover this, because I do not believe this will be unscrewing as it's tight. So, hopefully the scarf will be okay. Cotton cup. Show you the room. Shower, toilet, fan, and light. After sleeping on the floor, outside. So, see, happens with the bed. Okay, I'll see you next time. Cotton cap.